Hello students, this is the second video of the chapter Gupta Empire, Golden Age of India. In the first video, we have seen about the Gupta Empire rulers like Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, Chandragupta II, and also about the administration and the society of Gupta Empire. Now we'll study about religion and education during the Gupta Empire. Gupta rulers were tolerant towards all religion. They were called Vaishnavas because they worshipped Lord Vishnu. They ordered the construction of many temples like Baitargaon temple, Dasavatara temple, etc., and also many Buddhist monasteries. Even the most well-known Ajanta cave, which has colorful paintings on its wall, it was built during the Gupta rule, and it shows events from Buddha's life. Gupta rulers also encouraged education, and many universities like Nalanda, Takshila, Vallabhi, and Ujjain universities were set up in this period. Subjects like medicine, grammar, astronomy, and Vedic literature were taught in the university. This is the picture of a temple which was built during the Gupta Empire. Now we'll study about literature, science, and astronomy. Gupta rulers, they had great love of literature and writings. And during the Gupta rule, Sanskrit became the court language. Kalidasa, Sudraka, Vishakadatta, and Vishnu Sharma were some of the famous poets and dramatists of this period. Kalidasa wrote Meghadutam, Raghuvansha, Abhijitnana, Shakuntalam, while Sudraka wrote Mrijkatikam. Bhasha, he wrote many plays like the Swapna Vasavadata, and Vishnu Sharma, he wrote books like Panchatantra, while Panini wrote Ashtadhyayi. So these were the famous books written during the Gupta period. Aryabhatta is known for his discovery that earth went round the sun. Varahamira, he wrote an encyclopedia of science titled Brihat Samhita. The great physician Dhanvantri also practiced during this period, and he wrote Ashwa Vistra. The iron pillar in Mehruli, Delhi, built in the 4th century, it was also built during the Gupta Empire, and it has not rusted till date. See, this is the picture of the iron pillar which is located at Mehroli in Delhi, and it was built in the 4th century. Even after so many years, the iron pillar has not rusted. So it shows the skills of the metal workers. Now we'll study about how the mighty Gupta Empire declined. Kumar Gupta's son, Skandagupta, was a powerful ruler, and he was able to defeat the Huns, which was a nomadic tribe from Central Asia. But his successors were too weak to face the Huns' attack, and soon their repeated invasions caused the decline of the Gupta Empire. And thus, Gupta Empire, which was called the Golden Age, it came to an end.